and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can snooze someone on Facebook. But before proceeding with our today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further delay, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. Now, before snoozing someone, you should keep in mind that you can only snooze a person from your newsfeed. When you see their post, you can snooze them right there and then. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have a friend who has posted a status. Now click on the three dot icon over here. From here, I can snooze my friend for 30 days, which means I will not be able to see my friend's post for 30 days. Automatically after 30 days, I'll be able to see it again. Click on snooze and my friend has been snoozed. I hope my video was informative. Comment below and let us know your thoughts and queries. Feel free to suggest us if you have any request for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.